Hey everybody, welcome to the poorhouse where we look like we're from the suburbs. Now listen, again, I don't like doing these videos. I just like to give y'all straight up information. But since YouTube says I can't do that and they have pulled my get your information out quick to your family of subscribers card, I gotta do it this way. Trust me. I don't want to be here as much as y'all do. I don't want to make y'all sit through a video for the next few minutes while you look at products that will be in your Ipsy bags. But YouTube says I gotta do it, I reckon. So guys, this is going to be the products that will be in your Ipsy bags. Now first, I'm going to show you the products that will be in your May Ipsy standard bag. Now this is the $10 bag, as y'all all know, and I'm just running my mouth while I'm showing you these. But you know, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription box. For $10 a month, you'll get 5 deluxe sample-sized products. And of course, if you want to upgrade, there is an upgrade option for the Ipsy GlamBag Plus. Now, this is $25 a month. And in this box, you will get 5 full-sized products worth over $120. So, as always, Ipsy is going to be linked below. Source is going to also be linked below where I found these products. So those are all the products that will be in the Ipsy May bag. Now for the standard bag. Now I'm about to show you what will be in the May Ipsy Glam Plus bag. Now guys, again, you have probably already seen these, but like I said, I've got to delete all my spoilers, and I want to have videos out where y'all can go back and check to see what y'all are getting. Some of y'all like to see these, some of you don't. Some of you like to, you know, wait till you get your subscription, but a lot of people do like seeing these. And I cannot use the S word anymore, so I'm just going to say products until I can find a better name for it, because, you know, I don't want the YouTube police to come and know, you know, I'm like extra wild, you know, that's why I'm doing these. You know what I mean? So those are the products that will be in your May Ipsy GlamBag Plus. Now, guys, I can't run and film every single time they release a product that will be in your boxes. So I will get these up as quick as I can. And as always, everything is linked below. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing these products. And don't forget, you know, that like button. He's still running these now. So go ahead and teach him a lesson. Slap him, hit him, punch him, whatever you need to do to get him to shut up. And I will save you a seat for the next ride. Bye, guys.